Welcome to London, you guys. Let's go out and get our strangers. Let's see what style we can get today. Check it out, guys, my first stranger. Should give him something else. Time to eat. A classic sausage and mash. So we should leave it like 10 minutes. We can always walk back towards London Bridge, or we can get a bus straight from here.
Oh, this street would be so good for pictures.
I know.
Give us someone sexy.
See? Hey. Excuse me. Cool. I'm shooting a video for my YouTube channel. I take photos of strangers when I like their style. And you have a really cool look if you want to portray. You're like, if you have to. Okay, so if you just stand over here, we can get some with this in the back. Yeah, just over here. In the road, my specialty. So stand just over here, out of in the shade kind of. Perfect, just there. Come actually a little bit more this way. Even more. Yeah. More, perfect. Tiny bit more to me. Stay there, perfect. Maybe, do you want to leave the bag here with me, or? It's safe, he's with me, it's safe. Perfect, one sec. Okay, perfect, just stay like that. Maybe one hand in the pocket and a little bit of a lean back. Perfect, just like that. Looking this way. And one more maybe with the arms folded. Perfect. Okay. Check it out. No. Maybe one hand like this on the hip. Yeah. Awesome. So like that. Perfect. And one looking in this direction up here. Yeah. And let's just do one in movement, so maybe you can do something like this. And then, yeah. And look at me, smile. Okay, perfect. Check them out. And the portraits look really cool as well.
Yeah, great. Thank you.
Hey, excuse me. Hey, I'm shooting a video for my YouTube channel, and I take photos of strangers when I like their style and their look. And you have a really cool vibe if you want to portray. Yeah, okay, awesome. Where are you from? Here, London?
No, I'm from Sweden.
Oh, okay, cool. Okay, so we'll get some here. We'll get a couple of portraits and then just walking through the road. Yeah, I'll show you. I'll show you. So come here first. Okay, so first one, if you stand just over here, and I'll get some here with the background. Awesome, just stay like that. Awesome, love it.
Oh, they're cool.
They look super cool actually with the bus.
Yeah.
So I want to get some more when the bus leaves, and we'll get some like walking in the street too.
Alright.
So we'll run.
What's your YouTube channel?
It's called WhosYourBrad.
I'll write it down.
Yeah.
You want to write it?
Yeah. Oh, swap. Okay, perfect. So come here in the middle. So quickly run with me. Okay, stand just here. Okay, perfect. Pose there. Awesome, looking this way. Okay, cool. We'll do like a few more just, actually, yeah, just here too. And let's try one in here too. The shade is really nice. Just there, perfect. Looking at me again. Okay, walking just from there. Yeah, like along here. Okay. One more. Walking along. Okay, yes. Check these out.
Oh, cool. They're really nice. Can I get these pictures as well?
Yes. Hey, excuse me? Oh, all good. It's flying away. I'm doing a video. I take photos of strangers when I like their style and their look. If you wanted a portrait.
Hey. Well. Okay.
Yeah, for my YouTube channel.
YouTube channel.
Yeah. If you want, I
I
can.
don't think so. I'm like that cute.
Huh?
I don't think I'm that cute.
Cool style, no? She's like, I don't think I look that good. You look really cool. If you stand over here, we'll get some by the tracks, and then I think when the train comes, we can get some more. Let me show you, like, more or less. These are gonna be like my first episodes in London too, but I do stuff like this around Europe.
Oh, you're cool. Damn it. Yay.
Okay, so if you just stand over here. Okay, so maybe one hand like this on your hip. With this hands. Yeah. Hand on your, yeah, stay like that. Awesome, yeah, with the train it's gonna be cool. Stay there. Yes, love it. One more. Give me like a serious look. Stay there. Head down again. Oh my god, I love it. Stay like that. One more looking down. Those honestly look dope. Let me get one more full body shot. Like this, bro. Awesome. Sorry guys. Yes.
That was good.
But honestly, look at these ones.
Ooh.
The ones looking down.
These are really
and
good.
this one.
Nice. That's
Seriously,
so cool.
is that, are you going on
Yeah,
here?
yeah.
Perfect. Okay, this is ours, no?
Is it ours? I don't know what you tell.
Is this Gatwick one? No.
No. It's going to Brighton.
Brighton.
Oh, it's going to Brighton.
This is that one. Perfect. Thanks. I'll do the last one.
Where are you guys from?
Barcelona.
Barcelona, yeah.
Barcelona. Cool. What are you doing here? It's so nice now there.
Okay, awesome. So great to meet you. Okay guys, so that worked out great because we're on our way to the airport now. And we got our last portrait of the day. It's been a mad rush. So if you did like the video, don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe, drop me a comment, and I will see you guys in Barcelona or maybe even in Berlin.